Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another Shield update, and this is Shield Experience Upgrade 8.2.3. So this update is very light. However, I'm looking on the forums and there seems to be a lot of complaints. And let's just go through some of the comments. I'll go ahead and blur their names out or whatever the case is. But seems to be a lot of issues after this update, and we'll get into what's being updated here in a little bit. So the first person wrote, my Shield has completely stopped working after this update was installed. I tried to factory reset, it's still nothing. I'm pretty upset. I spent money on the Nvidia Shield. I'm ordering an Amazon Fire Stick to replace this overpriced piece of junk. So that's the first person. Second person said, after my update, my remote control no longer works on the 2017 model. Please help. Person number 3 said, do not update, caused my 2019 Shield Pros to constantly need restarted. Apps won't load. Plex client on Android devices, including Min Shields, not working anymore after this upgrade. Plex client on my LG TV still works. Get the error message. An error occurred when attempting to play this video. My Plex server runs on the Shield. Did not have any issues before this upgrade. Last person, and like I said, this probably goes on for a couple more comments. Last person said, so last night I tried installing this update on my 2015 Shield Pro and got a black screen with a little green robot. I unplugged and restarted the Nvidia Shield TV several times with no success. Just keep getting the little green robots. So I unplugged it and went to bed. So for you guys that are new to the channel, what I try to do is every upgrade that the Nvidia Shield pushes, I try to do the upgrade just to show you guys what's working, what's not. Most cases it's a piece of software or a glitch, but this seems like it could really damage the Shield. So just so you guys know that today I will be performing the upgrade on my 2017 Shield. Also, I will be doing another upgrade on my 2019 Shield Cone, and I'll let you guys know if I run into any issues on that one as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the details. So Shield Experience 8.2.3. What is new in 8.2.3? So the Shield Experience included light updates and bug fixes. Alright, so like I said, it's a short list. Other enhancements include Android TV patch level up to April 2021, improved reconnection to Control4 IP based controllers, adds supports for SCUF or SCUF Infinity4PS, SCUF Impact, and SCUF Prestige controllers. Not really familiar with any one of those, so let me know what those are in the comment section. Add support for single USB receiver connection to Corsair SLIPSTREAM Wireless peripherals. So this includes the K57 RGB keyboard, Dark Core RGB Pro mouse, VIRTUOSO RGB wireless headset, and single USB configuration. Requires iCUE software and PC or Mac. So like I said, the updates are pretty light, but for a lot of people on the forum, seem like this update is causing a lot of issues. So let's go back and we're going to go ahead and download it. I'm just going to let it run all the way through. Not going to skip anything on this one, just to give you guys a full update experience. So now's a good time. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. On this channel I do everything tech, a lot of streaming news, streaming product reviews, tech reviews, so definitely stay tuned. And also check out the daily polls on my community section of the channel. I'll link that in the description as well. So it looks like the Shield has been fully upgraded, and this is the 2017 Shield. You can see the message up there. Let's go ahead and dismiss it. And what I normally like to do is just go back to my settings and go down to check for upgrades. Just make sure that there's nothing else out there. All right, so there's the last checked. That's the version. So we are on version 8.2.3, and let's just check, see if anything else. Look like our system is up to date. So a lot of these problems that are being reported, I'm not seeing. My remote's working fine, as you can see there. The up and down works. The Shield is not restarting. I didn't receive the black screen with the green icon or whatever the case is. Someone else reported that they had Plex kind of crapped out on them. Let's go ahead and launch Plex. And let me just play something, and I'll probably have to blur this out. All right, so that's working fine as well. So far so good, guys, at least in my case. Still fluid, The remote still works fine. Know that after every update, normally you want to give it about a minute or so while everything's finished installing. Might be wonky for a minute or so, but after the messages start popping up, you should be good to go. And luckily on my side, there are no issues. I just went ahead and updated my 2019 Shield cone as well, and same experience guys. I didn't experience any issues, any blackouts, any issues with the remote. So we'll just keep monitoring this. If anything pops up, I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's going on with your Shield, if you decided to upgrade, or if you're gonna skip this one and just wait to see what else is going on. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.